So I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm doing because I don't know what I'm doing. What I have here is, get a spoon. I have a ladle. So this strange looking stuff here is pureed fenugreek with some ginger. It was in here and I was using it. I would drink probably about a half a cup or so in the morning for my hair because I just naturally have thin hair, and as I get older it's getting more thinner, not more thinner. So what I'm gonna do now, at least the idea that I have, I don't know if it's gonna work. So I blended up the rest, the fenugreek seeds that were in here, and I added some water, some filtered water, and what's in this bag is pulp from some chickpeas. Making a chickpea pudding. So let me show you how to. This is the chickpea pulp. It just really, you know, kind of, I don't know, look like, it kind of has the consistency of almond flour, but it has lots of protein in it. I'm actually using the chickpea liquid. I soaked that for a day. I strained it off and then I blended it in my Vitamix. And so I'm just adding this to my fenugreek, and I don't know what I'm gonna have it for. I'm just right now, so basically the seasoning in here is just the ginger. I have like a size of ginger about this size. And I'm just gonna cook this. I may add a little bit more water to it. And after I cook it for a little bit, I'm gonna smell it and taste it and see what flavors to add. So we'll see. Stick to the journey with me.